In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money online using CPA marketing. So if you don't know what is CPA marketing, today I'm going to be talking more about it on this video. I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can start making money online using it. So if you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important step and you don't have to ask any question. Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to this new video here at Top Notch Programmer. As I said before, today I'm going to be showing you how to make money online using CPA marketing. So what is CPA marketing? CPA stands for cost per action or commission per action. Every time someone or a user completes an action into your website, you earn a small commission. So mostly people use gaming niche to do CPA marketing. So for example, I don't know if you ever seen a generator online, a website generator that generates coins for any game, and in the end of the generation you get a human verification and you have to complete an offer. Once you complete this offer, you get what you want from the website. So once you complete this offer in CPA marketing, you get a commission and you earn that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to join a network that you can do this and you can get paid for that. It is not like affiliate marketing where you promote a product and that you get sales, and for each sale you get a commission. But in CPA marketing you create a website that is for free and the people get what they want for free. And you know, people always first are going to go to the free one and try to make it, to complete it. Every person, this is the instinct of everyone, and once they complete that offer or the thing, you get a lead or a commission. And the best network that I know for now is a CPABuild. I like this network because in this network you can also build templates and free websites. You can find thousands of templates and content lockers for your CPA website. So let's start with this video without losing any more time, and I'm gonna be explaining you step by step how to do this. First thing you have to do is just to go to the CPABuild website. So just go in Google and search for CPABuild.com, and here you have to register for a new account. I already have an account on this, but I'll show you how to do that, how to register. So just go and click on register, and here you have to type your real information. Make sure to type everything that you write here on this registration form need to be absolutely real, and you don't have to create a bulk account because otherwise they are going to decline your application and you are not going to be approved in their network. So here the first field is put your name, last name, email and a username that you want to choose a password, choose your real country and real street address, and the state here on city and zip all needs to be real. And here on the Skype ID you can put your Skype ID, is good to put one, so I just put one because maybe they contact you to ask any question about you. And where did you hear about us? You can put Google, TikTok, YouTube or anything you want, or YouTube, just Top Notch Programmer YouTube video. And here on current networks is if you are in any other network like CPABuild. For example, there are some other network like CPA Lead. You can put CPA Lead or any network that you are currently in, but for now if you are not, you just leave this empty. Here you can put your website that you're going to promote. For example, if you have a website with a lot of traffic and you want to promote the CPA website on that, you can put your website here, or if you don't have one, it's not a problem, just leave it empty. And here in promotional methods and traffic sources, you have to make sure to describe everything you have to use to promote your website. So for example, you can put a list of the promotional platforms that you are going to use. For example, you can put one YouTube and write what you have. For example, I have a YouTube channel. Or you can type another thing like TikTok and write more information about your TikTok. If you have one, you can mention your account, you can type your YouTube channel, and because they are going to check all of them. And you have to make sure to write this to explain everything you are going to use, because otherwise they are not going to accept you. So after you complete all of these fields, you have to make sure to check this box, I'm not a robot, and check these three boxes too, and click on register. After you click on register, it is going to send you an email that you are going to confirm, and then it will redirect you in the website that will show you the status of your application. And you have to also verify your phone number and make sure to not use a VPN during this registration because they are going to decline. And then after you're registered and everything you have confirmed and verified, this application will go to moderators and they are going to accept or decline your application, and they will email you in about 1 day or less. I have an already account and I'm going to log in on my account. Okay, this is the dashboard of CPABuild, and here this is the main page. In this part we have the graph of the leads, like it's called here, the leads for every time you earn money. And we have clicks, and this is not a website clicks but is the offers clicks. Every time a person clicks on one of the offers that it have to complete, you get a click. And the leads is every time the person completes the offer, you get a lead. Here in the earnings is how much money you have earned, and in EPC is earn per clicks, how much you earn for one click. And below we have announcements, and for example right now we have a claim that you can claim for free here in the chat. Just write claim /claim, and it's going to claim this that is $0.5 bonus, and this 2% bonus on every lead you get 2% plus more money. So here we have announcements, and if you scroll down, here is network chat. You can chat with anybody here on network. You can ask questions, you can share how much money you have earned in the today, yesterday, or the month. Below we have network leagues. This is real-time people earning leads, and it shows you what offer they are using, what website, what template, and everything you have to know. And here we have featured templates. For example, this is a Fortnite template that you can use. You can vote it up, vote down. Here on the templates here are all the templates that are published by the developers, and you can search for any template you want. For example, 8-ball pool, and you're gonna find the free website and templates that you can use. For example, this one, and if I click on preview, it's going to open the page, and here is what people are going to see. And here put the username and choose your region and choose how many, for example, you want, and click on generate. Once it's generated, it is going to show that complete this human verification, then complete one of these offers, and once the people complete the offer, you get the lead on the network. So the money of the leads are not a lot, because people get a lot of leads in CPABuild. It is not like affiliate marketing, but in CPA marketing the prices or the payout of the offers are not a lot. Its average might be like $5, but there are offers with $1, there are offers with $100 or $25 or so. For example, if you get 1,000 clicks onto your website, maybe 100 of them are going to complete the offers. The payouts of the offers might be from $1 to $10, but in average might be $5. So if you multiple 5 with 100 leads you get, you may earn about $500 in only 1 day. So this is very good money. And below we have a locker. So locker is the part of the window that is going to show the offers. This needs to be well designed, because this may interact users and people to click on them, and you can find any locker you want. And here we have some updates. So here in the offers tab, you have all the offers that you can use for your country, and for example, we have different offers with different payouts and with different websites that people are going to complete, and the offer is the part where it's going to verify. So click on this, send this email, do this thing, and it is called the offer. So this one first for people on UK, and here we have email and zip. This is a category that email and zip, so all the user is going to do is just to send an email, or to put your email or register on a form or do anything like that. And here is the devices, the type, for example, is for phone, for mobile only, for computer only, and we have the payout, how much this offer pays for one lead. And for example, this one pays $2.2, and you can get the direct link. You can promote this directly onto your website or do anything like that. Here on templates, you can build or modify your template, but you can find free template in the dashboard, like I said before, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get one. Here on content loggers is you can build your content logger. As I said before, is a part where it's showing all the offers list, and you can build one. You can put in your language, you can edit the text, you can edit do anything you want, but you can also find free lockers by others. And here on build, you can build content lockers, and in deploy, you can create your website, deploy it here for free. You can also put Google Analytics to see any clicks you have using Google Analytics. And here on links, you can also use mirrors for your URLs or the links, and you can also use your own domain. And on the account, you have account setting, balance of the money. But something else I want to show you is the payment, so how you can add your payment. Here on payment settings, just go to payment settings, and here you have to read the rules for the payments. And here we have the fees, the tax form that you are going to complete. Here, if you want to add your payment, you can click on this add button and you add your payment method. It accepts credit cards, bank accounts, wire payments, and also PayPal payments that everybody uses. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple template and that you can promote. So just go to dashboard. For example, I'm going to find a template for PUBG, for example, for PUBG game. And here, if I go to templates and search for PUBG, here we have a lot of templates that you can use. You can use the most rating ones, like this one, for example. And if you want to use this one, you can click on preview and watch it, how it looks. So I'm going to be using this one and click on just setup. If you scroll down, here we have everything you have to put. For example, this is the URL where the user will be redirected after completing the offer, so you can redirect them anywhere you want, but I will leave Google for now. And this is a minimum amount of cents that you want to earn. Or here you can put your description of the website. You can put Google Analytics code for if you want to check the clicks using Google Analytics. And here you can put the keywords that is going to use PUBG hack, PUBG cheat, and like something like that. Here are the offers amounts that are going to be shown, so I will leave this 5 for now. How many offers is going to show you in the human verification thing. Here you can put the title of the website, and here's the verify button. What you can put any text for button, for example, verify now, or verify this offers, or verify this to continue, or do anything like that. And here you can put verification and title of the verification and title name, or the verification name, verification title, and things like that. After you put all the information here for the website, you just have to click save and preview, and this is going to show you how the website will look. And then you click on continue after you complete everything. Then this is going to show that is completed. And here here is the URL that you are going to promote. You can put a custom one if you want. I just type here in the customs, but this is a generated one, and if you copy it and go to a new tab, here if you paste it, this is going to show your website. And that I'm going to be showing you right now how this works. For example, the user clicks on this one, and then it is going to choose how many he wants, how many money he wants in the game. Then put your username, for example, choose your platform, PS4, mobile, Steam, and anything like that. Click on start, and it's going to generate the coins and everything that people need. And then after this is completed, it will show you that you have to verify your account. Okay, let's see and what is going to happen. Okay, once it's completed, it shows you now verify now, and the user is going to click on this verify button. And here is the locker that I was talking about before. Here all of the offers, this list is the offers, and the user is going to complete one of these to get the coins, and you get a lead. Once a person completes it, is going to get a lead. For example, if the user clicks on this one, it is going to redirect them in a new page where are going to complete the quiz or anything like that. Just click on continue, start the quiz, and complete all of this offer. Once it's completed, it's going to be redirect here and get the coins. Then you get a lead. Here you can see that I got one click because I clicked it myself, and when a user completes it, it's going to give you a lead that you can get money from. Don't complete the offers manually or encourage someone to complete this with VPN, because this is going to ban you from the CPA build, because they detect everything, every step you do, every lead you get, and everything. So yeah, don't do that. So this is how it works. You can do a lot of more templates you can use here for Fortnite, for any game you want, but mostly the games are the most clicked by the people, and especially by kids. In the next videos I will show you how you can get free promotional methods that you can use, but for now you can get this link and put it into your YouTube channel, create a video for it, and do anything that you want, or send it to someone, and he is going to complete a lead. So guys, this was a video for today. Hopefully you like it. I'm gonna be making more video about the CPA marketing, and especially for marketing and the ways how you can make money online. So if you like this type of content, let me know in the comments, and just write that if you like this content, please make more videos about it. And like I said, the next videos I'm going to share the promotional methods for free that you can use to get leads and earn money here on this network. So please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos, guys. Peace.